You want to take me to jail?
No, I don't want to.
Don't touch shit.
I already explained. Do you want me to explain to you for the third time? Okay.
Why are you opening my door?
You were involved in an accident.
Are you dead ass serious? So you need to act like it.
In your insurance card.
Man, what's up?
Don't grab my shit.
I ain't You feel good? You feel good?
On January 10th, 2022, police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for leaving the scene of an accident in Joliet. This is Brittany. She left the accident and her car was broke from the front. Officer asked for her license and insurance, but she refused to give it. She didn't open the car doors. She didn't listen to the officers, and she made it worse for her.
Hello. Were you just in an accident back there? You sure?
Accident?
Yeah. Over there on South Hames Street. Okay, do you have your driver's license and insurance card on me? I just need to see your driver's license and insurance card, man. Yes, so you were involved in an accident just back there. We have your license plate, your vehicle description, you're on camera, and you have damage on your vehicle, and then you just left the area. So we're just trying to get your information for the accident, and then we'll send you on your way, okay? So I just need to see your driver's license and your insurance card. Ma'am, you need to give us your driver's license and your insurance card.
No right. You would have no right to be. My father, she trying to.
Ma'am, it's just an accident. Don't turn this into something else.
What accident?
You were involved in an accident. You got to come off of that. You got to come off of that, okay? You were involved in the accident. We have to take your information. What's your first name? Don't turn this into something that you don't need it to be, okay? Let me tell you something.
You're turning it into something.
Ma'am,
why did you
we need to take, I already explained it to you. We need your driver's license and your insurance card, or what's going to happen is you're going to end up going to jail. I already explained. Do you want me to explain to you for the third time? Okay. You were involved in an accident on South Hames Street. You left the scene of that accident. We have your license plate. You have damage to your vehicle. We need your driver's license and your insurance card for the accident report, and then we can send you on your way. If you refuse that, you can go to jail. So it's your choice.
Do what you gotta do.
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card. That's all you gotta do. Do you have that on you?
What accident are you talking about?
The one that you were just involved in. Now, you don't have to keep doing this.
Okay, we can. We're gonna continue.
Okay. Okay, how about this?
I wasn't in no accident.
I need your driver's license, your insurance card, or you're going to go to jail.
You pulled me over for no reason.
I already explained to you the reason. So, I need your driver's license and your insurance card, or you can go to jail for obstructing the police.
Here you can see officer was handling the situation calmly. He was again and again explaining her that he just needed her driving license and insurance or some kind of ID proof.
It's your call. Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's going to happen if you do that. And you don't need to turn that into something.
You pulled me over for what?
You want me to explain it to you for the fifth time?
Yep.
Okay.
Why you ain't get on me back then?
For the fifth time,
so wait.
You were involved in an accident, you fled the scene, and now you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card. So I need to see your driver's license and your insurance card, or you'll go to jail for obstructing the police. I'll tow your car and impound it. Well, you're going to unlock it for me, or I'm going to break the window. Yeah.
For what?
Because you're refusing to give me your driver's license and your insurance card.
That you can't.
I know I can.
Can't you dumb?
So are you refusing to open your window?
Refuse.
Okay. So at this point, you're under arrest. I need you to get out of the car, or I'm going to break the window and take you out.
Why are you pulling me over?
I already explained it to you. We're past that.
Shut the fuck up.
All right. If you don't get out of the car, I'm going to break the window.
If
ma'am. What are you doing here on the scene? Otherwise, we're gonna be down at the station. It's up to you.
This shit is dumb as fuck.
Okay. All right.
What did I do?
It's gonna come. I've been here for 10 minutes trying to get it through. Can you shut the car off at least so we don't turn this into something that it doesn't have to be?
Yeah, I just don't want to just 10-0 with just standing around the car, okay?
Thank you. Can you turn the car off? Thank you. Can you give me your driver's license and your insurance card?
What you think he's front of you?
I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card.
Are you dead ass serious? You finna act like that's what you've been asking me for this whole time?
What have I been asking
Shut
you
the
for?
fuck up. Like, stop.
Okay, I need your driver's license and your insurance card. It's just an accident. Don't turn it. So he should tell you then that you should give me your driver's license.
So why the entire fucking
and what do you say right now if you're acting like this?
Okay, why am I pulled over right now?
For the accident.
Sixth time? You want to go 6? You were involved in an accident. You left the scene. I found your car. You have damage to the front of your car. All this is an accident report, ma'am. Don't turn this into anything else.
Don't turn it into something else.
It's an accident report. We need your stuff for the report, and then you're on your way.
It's your word against the other driver's word. That's all we're looking at, man. You're making this far too difficult on yourself.
I understand.
On yourself.
I understand.
Okay?
No,
Why don't
I
you just give them your
understand.
license, your insurance. They can relay that over the other
Can
side.
y'all go to them?
We already have an officer there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go to them.
That's why we're here.
I have nothing else to talk about. I'm good.
I need your driver's license and your insurance card.
I don't have none of that.
You don't have your license,
No.
then? No, your
I
insurance
don't
card.
have it.
Okay, I need you to step out of the car.
Why?
Because I need you to step out of the
Why?
car, because now you're under arrest for obstructing the police. Okay?
Man,
You want to turn that
in?
into that? We can turn it into that.
Just get your license, get the insurance, get an ID, whatever you got. Just provide it. It's Monday. We're not trying to make it any more difficult than it is.
I didn't do anything.
Okay,
I'm
Well, now you're
fine.
doing something. Give us your license and your insurance card so we can get this on the report and get you the hell out of here.
Why are you opening my door?
Right.
Don't touch shit.
I'm not going to touch shit,
No,
but
you
I need you
open
to
my
give me your
door.
driver's license and your insurance
I
card.
am, but
Okay.
don't touch my door. Why are you doing that?
I've explained it to you already.
It don't matter. Fucking
Then
face.
act like it.
So you need to
Then
act like it. Don't touch shit.
Give me your
Why are
driver's
you
license
opening?
and your insurance card.
Man, what's up? You want to take me to jail?
No, I
Take
don't
me
wanna
to jail.
take you
Don't
to jail.
touch me.
Don't step in my face.
At this point, just step to the side of the car. This isn't the way it's supposed to go. Alright?
Exactly.
Man.
Hey,
You're under arrest.
over here.
What are you thinking? Don't grab my shit.
I ain't nothing.
You got a wrist? You got a wrist? No, you got it, Bobby? Bobby, I'm not letting you go until you have it.
Stop resisting.
You a dumb bitch.
Stop resisting.
Ain't nobody resisting.
Stop resisting.
You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. You must be a rookie. The fuck out my face. You feel good? You feel good? You still gotta fight your toe? Bitch.
You got it? I got the wrist. No, it's the other one. I got a wrist.
He
I got
dumb. You dumb. Like,
Come on, let's go.
What's the
Yep.
corner of the car?
Gotta stand up, okay?
Stand up. Stand up.
Ma'am, roll to your knees. And then
Come on.
up on your feet.
Yep, come on. Flip your shoes
Up on
on.
your feet.
You want your phone? This your phone?
yeah, happy.
All right, step up. If you want your
Man.
phone, step on your shoes.
Y'all,
That's fine.
I ain't do
Yeah.
nothing to y'all.
That's
for real.
fine. That's fine. Flip your shoes on. You want them or no? It's up
Now
to
you
you.
take me to jail for what?
I'll put them in the
Take me
car.
to jail for it.
Stop. Don't start.
See? Back to your car. You ain't shit. It don't matter.
Jail. Get in the jail.
out of the way.
Y'all.
Ambulance 5's in route.
Alright, go ahead and get in.
Come on. Have a seat. It stinks.
Man, leave me alone. Y'all had no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car.
Man, ouch!
Hop in, let's go.
Man, get me the fuck out of here. Y'all had no right to arrest me.
Ma'am, you gotta get in the car. I'm gonna go around the other side.
No, you don't.
21.
Leave me alone.
Come on. You have to get in the car.
20, got me.
Let's go. Come on.
You guys on charges? Obstructing now.
You sit up.
One for obstructing. Lincoln 23. Please let your 10-4.
You get me the fuck out of here.
Give me a safe.
20, if you can roll a tow for one, please.
Tow for 1, check 1.
Yeah, we're good.
This will all be part of a defensive action course, just take down,
Yeah.
investigating a hit and run.
Okay.
She's having a bad Monday.
Well,
She's got her purse right up
car
here.
for him,
I don't know, she was going in the glove box for that, but
She tow the car for him, run. You got a body cam too?
yeah, I think it fell off at some point.
Dude, I didn't know you had one, so I was just sitting here like.
Here, I have her wrist.
I had to
So then I'm trying to transfer the wrist over to Bob.
I knew it was gonna come to that.
Yeah.
I could just tell right away.
No, I'm glad I showed up over her. Did a good job.
Yeah.
Was 24 Tony or no?
You gave her so many
I know.
commands.
Yeah.
I mean, there's
I'm not sure. 24, you could advise 20 just gas.
having a bad day.
Yeah.
I'll disregard this for this.
All right, we'll get her down there.
Ain't no drugs. I don't
Brittany,
have
Mary
any
Gas
drugs.
Conference, DOP. 24 from Central, 24. Support.
So I'm getting arrested? What am I getting arrested for?
Well, you see, what you did back there is like all sorts of not good. Okay? And I think you know that, so just listen.
No, what am I getting arrested
It's called obstructing the police. I mean, we can go the whole different route if you want with resisting. You kick the sergeant, we could do that, but we're not going to do all that unless you act a fool down in the jail, okay? So what we're going to do, just listen to me. We're going to go to the Joliet Police Department. We have to take your fingerprints and your picture, and then we're going to release it. Listen to me. Just listen to me, Brittany. And then we'll get you out of here on an I-bond. We'll take you back to... Or you can go sit at the Will County Jail with no bond. There's your options, okay? This started from a simple traffic stop, and you could have just went with the program.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Coulda.
But you didn't.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever.
So I'm just explaining to you why you got arrested.
Bullshitting because you can still be cool, but you decide not to.
I don't know if that's
Yeah.
true.
You're fine. No.
Oh, well, she's probably intoxicated. She was wrestling with us a little bit. She was in an accident, hit and run, refusing to get out of the car, so. All right, Brittany, so we're going to take inside fingerprints, pictures, and if you're cool with that, I'll take it.
Don't take me home.
I promise you I will, but you got to promise me that you'll be cool with this. You just got to take your picture and fingerprints.
If you're cool, you're going to get recocked today. You'll be out and out.
Because did I do anything? I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want you to take you to jail. This is just a misdemeanor. That's a
Okay.
bullshit ass misdemeanor.
Okay,
You'll be out here in an hour.
so I'm not going to jail.
No, this is the police station. This is
Y'all
the Joliet
promise
Police.
y'all not finna put me in
Look,
jail.
you're on camera. You're on camera, okay? I can't lie to you on camera.
Yeah, I'm dead ass serious. I didn't do
You got to
anything.
get some picture prints
Y'all-
inside.
Fingerprints and picture, and then we
Y'all,
got to do
no,
paperwork.
you not finna take no
Brittany,
picture. I didn't do
we have
anything.
to. You're under arrest.
Nope.
It's part of the booking procedure. Listen
Nope.
to me. Listen to me, girlfriend. Listen to me.
Y'all not finna, y'all finna put me
Do
on
not
the mother...
walk your way into a felony. Okay? Don't do
What?
that. Refusing this is a felony. We're trying to get you out of here.